Hello importers, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your gadget importation training from the comfort of your room. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course I'm the CEO of Zionhublogistics Limited, and of course I'm the CEO of Zion Gadget Store. Alright, for the batch of this training that we are going to be embarking on, we are going to be adding some extra features on this training. Now, I'm going to start with timers, which have not experienced gadget training. What is gadget training? What do you understand when it comes to gadgets? When we talk about gadget training have to do with you buying directly, you buying gadgets directly. What do I mean by gadgets? Gadgets have to do with anything that is receivable electronics. Let me put it electronics. But mind you, we have different type of electronics. Now, when we look at gadgets have to do with phones, laptop, game consoles, anything basically that they use, even accessories, right? Accessories like chargers, AirPod, earpiece, speakers, anything you can mention that have to do with accessories. This comes together to make it gadgets. And of course, we have seen people around doing this same business, and it's very, very much lucrative. Okay, maybe you have seen an advert on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram or Facebook or on TikTok. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you what we are going to be learning. Of course, I should have my students here watching, which they can testify, because this is what we've been doing for over years now. We've been doing the business for at least 6 good years now, and by the God's grace, we have a store that sells all these things. So we don't just teach, we also practice. After this video, I'm going to be sharing with you, or in this video, you are going to be seeing the video of our store, what it actually looks like. Everything is what we do. That having been said, what are we going to be learning in this tutorial? What we are going to be learning have to do with gadgets, strictly gadgets. When I said 4-in-1, I actually mean what I'm saying. Now, the first thing that I have to do with gadgets. Alright, the first thing that we are going to be learning in this tutorial or in this training is what? The US gadgets. How you can import the gadgets from USA directly. We've all seen all these people from Alaba market selling gadgets, selling phones, and you are interested in doing this thing. Everything is going to be breaking down, where they get it from, where they source it from. All right, we are going to be teaching you. That is the first one, gadget from USA, which includes the website you are going to be buying them from. Also, it also includes how you are going to be bringing it down to your country yourself. You'll be the one doing it. We are going to affiliate you with people that will help you in shipping it down. You are not leaving, mind you are not leaving your room. You are not leaving your office to travel down to that place. We have break those video into sessions. It's going to help you. It's going to guide you on how you can do it. Going back to the session 1, which have to do with US. Right, we are teaching you how you can do this thing directly from US. The second one on this training is UK. How you can buy phones from UK directly. The first one is US now, which is United States of America. The second one is UK. Why the third one is going to be what? It's going to be China. Now, we have different platforms that you can get these phones from in China. The popular one, we all know 𝐻𝐻. Some of my students have already gotten the previous training in the previous batches. They know what I'm saying now when I said Zendune or 𝐻𝐻. That is a popular platform, but we just discovered another new platform that will gives you access to buy phones, accessories, gadget related on the platform directly, which makes it 4. All right, We are not just teaching you now. We are holding your hands in doing these things. Also, mind you, these platforms, both the 4 of them, we are showing you how you are going to be buying the used phones, the used gadgets, the brand new one that have not been opened from carton. We are also teaching you how to do that. We are also giving you the access to refurbished phone. What are refurbished phone? Everything is going to be analyzed in this tutorial. That makes it 4. Used phone, refurbished phone, and brand new one. And we're also going to be giving you suppliers contacts, because we want to make sure you are doing it right. You are doing it correctly. It's not as if this is our field. We do it on a daily basis. We help people to bring down phones to Nigeria, to Ghana. So we are teaching you now. We want to bring you into the business, because when we look at gadgets, it's a moving niche. It's not a niche, or it's not a business. It's not a type of business that starts as low as one phone, because the business is very, very profitable and is very, very lucrative when gadget business is concerned. And I also want you to know, it does not require a lot of capital. If you cannot start with one phone, you can start with smartwatch. We have a lot of big boys that want to use smartwatch. You can start dropshipping. We have classes for dropshipping on Telegram. That is after the class. But now you can start as low as as 50,000, 30,000 to buy smartwatch. You know, when we talked about gadgets, it also includes smartwatch. It also includes AirPod. It includes power banks. You can start with one phone. I started personally with one phone, buying from the platform, reselling it. Buying and importing one phone, you can see a profit nothing less than 80,000 naira. You can see a profit nothing less than 600 Ghana cedis, 500 Ghana cedis on just one phone. Now imagine adding your profit to bring down 2 phones. You start from there. It doesn't require a huge capital, and there are chances of you making it very quick. Quote me wrong, or you quote me right. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's not something you will pump money and be expecting money immediately. No. What we are teaching you is how you can do these things yourself, make money from it. And also, we are not leaving you with dropping it down in your country. We are adding a video on how you are going to be running an effective Instagram advert, just like the advert that brought you to this video. We are giving you a free video guide on how you will do these things, how you can look for buyers to buy them. Can you see now that this is a very lucrative business, that you don't want to miss this opportunity? After this batch of this training now, till next year. So you don't want to miss the training, right? Once you pick this course, once you get the training right, you are good to go. You are good to go. And gadget business is really here to stay. Everybody wants to use latest phone. Everybody wants to use smartwatches. Everybody wants to use accessories. So after looking for customers online, both on Instagram and on Facebook, people will start coming. And you make your money from there. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the class, and don't forget to stay active. After watching this video, we'll start the training. Okay, so don't forget to stay active in the class. All right, so thank you, and I will see you in the next video.